My name is Cindy Salgado. I am with Ingredion Incorporated. Our company has been utilizing the Cadency module for about 10 years now. We use the close module, certification for journal entries, reconciliations, and then we are starting to implement our compliance module as well for the upcoming year. Before, it just kind of used to be a manual process. Everything was done through our ERP system, which we use SAP ECC. So everything was, the journal entries were manually posted and reconciliations were just done on a manual system. Since implementing Cadency, we've seen a range of changes in our operations, the way that our accounting team does their daily work, monthly, quarterly. We are a global business, so we have offices all over the world. We have around 80% of our offices using Cadency, doing their reconciliations, doing their journal entries, and we are pushing them to continue to use the system, right? Move away from those manual processes that they used to do in order for us to have more control and better reviewing of our data. Currently, our SAP system, we have three, one kind of for each region. We have North America, South America, and our APAC EMEA, right? So it's information that's coming from all these three systems that are able to feed into just one. And so instead of having to go in and check each and every one of them for the work or rely on the fact that our users might still be doing manual work in each of them, we can have them move to just one consolidated system where we're able to go to and see and help them out by their region. Some advice that I would give as being fairly new, definitely taking advantage of the Trintech Success Center to go in there and use their learning modules. I know for myself, it was really beneficial coming in and being trained by my manager. Our customer success manager is really great, kind of giving us any tools that we might need. Being a global company, there's just so many users that we can't always keep up with each team. So when those new users come in, they're also able to utilize the learning guides from that Success Center. We chose to implement the compliance module because we don't necessarily have a system set up at the moment to work with those controls that our auditors advise us to follow through. So we want to have this system that is already one centralized place for our whole global office to be able to use.